And now, a guy whose show is ranked just above a proctology exam. Please give a warm welcome to...
Big Elvis Diecast review. This time, how about a Johnny Lightning 5-car set? Now, these are 5 cars from a bunch of different series. And first up, we got a Ranger. Our next one up, and that we're going to crack is a Johnny Lightning Muscle Car USA. Monte Carlo. We've got us a classic gold 73 Chevy Z28. We've got us a wild old casting with new rubber on it, the ice cream truck. This ought to be very interesting. Yes, that's showed a limited number. And then an official pace car. So there you have it, the 55 Bel Air. So we're just going to get right into it here. Start with that official pace car and get it out. I do like, and I've said this in other videos, but I do keep the collector cards. That way, at least I know, what I've had, when I've had them, that kind of thing. But here is that pace car. Very nice. Indianapolis, May 30th, 1955. She does have real rubber tires. Beautiful front end. Look at that. Nicely done. You got the nice white interior. You got some detailing there, some detailing on the dash. Beautiful tail end. And we do have an opening hood. So you can see the, I guess it would have been a V8 then. Small V8. But very cool. Hood is a little wonky, but there we have. We got a little bit better. And it is a Johnny Lightning. And it is 2000 was the date on that one. And let's see what I should have done here. See what our release date was. So this is Playing Mantis, so nothing here. So you got to actually find the copyright date. 2001 copyright date. So that was a new casting for them in 2001. All right, next up, 50 years of Johnny Lightning. Celebrating it. And that's got that custom black metallic is what it says it is. Lots of gold on there. And this is a round 2 release. So 28, 2019 was when it was released. There's some history on it. Let's see here. Pretty interesting story here. So Johnny Lightning was introduced in '69 by Topper Toys. It was the biggest single toy factory in the world. And they were, okay, so Henry Olstein had it. Johnny Lightning actually did sponsor. And then Topper Toys folded in '71. That's what I was saying. So they were out for a while. And then Playing Mantis bought them. Thomas Lowell. He started reproducing them in 1994. Today, round 2 carries this rich legacy. It started 50 years ago. So there you go. Pretty interesting stuff. I know that was a little long, but you got to know your history, right? Hopefully you'll see that. I know that was a little long, but it's well worth the wait, because look at this little guy. Look at that. Love the black with the red pinstriping. That sets it off. The gold engine, gold front end. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The high-rise intakes. And you like to see an ice cream truck like that come down your street. You see right through there. Daily Bell ice cream. That is a beautiful vehicle, man. Very cool. There is the information. That's when this one was re-released. Little tiny there. Real rubber tires, the gold rims with that red pinstriping, gold accents. That's just beautiful. Just beautiful car. I do like it a lot. And there she is. All right. Let's just get into our next one. The classic gold 1973 Chevrolet with the real rubber tires. And it also has (2001) copyright date on this one, so this is not long. There you go. They actually took cars that real people had at the Classic Gold Series. I wish they would still do that. I think they do that today, but it's some of them are just remade. Man, that is a heavy, heavy car. So there you go. If you're the Camaro fan, you gotta love this. Big old engine sitting up there on the top, no hood. You can see some detailing under there with the washer, the lights, battery. Beautiful flat, or not flat, but clean blue paint job. Got some interior detailing there. You can see the shifter. Padding on the seats and on the back seats. Clean, clean car. And like I said before, I'm into that. So there, Johnny, man, that's heavy. That's a heavy metal base. And this was a 99 Playing Mantis casting number right there in the bottom corner. What you think about that? Now, the Camaro is sweet. That Camaro is sweet. There we have it. Our next one up is going to be the Monte Carlo. Now, this is re-released by Round 2. There's your release date, 3/23/2022. So, been out for a while. Part of the Muscle Car USA. Medium Fire Mist Poly and Pastel Green. And I've got to tell you, everything I've opened up today has come with a back blister, which I love that because it keeps card rub from happening. Look at that. Wow. Nice, clean, two-tone. Here is your rear end and license plate. 79 Monte. Oh yes. Clean, nice dashboard. You can see the detailing in the dash. And it looks like it's a hood opener. And it is. So you see that Chevy motor in there and the detailing around the back firewall and up toward the front. But that paint job, that is another one of those it just hits right, you know, just hits right. So here we have it, the bottom. There's your information and casting number For those of you who are interested in the casting numbers, there you go. That is a beautiful car. She is beautiful. Our next one up, another round 2. There's the release date on that, 6/4/025, so this past year. And it is the Ford Ranger. And this time done in the black. The STX. Got you some different colored dash in there. I guess supposed to match the striping. Firestone blue oval wheel tires. Factory rims, I'm going to guess. Metal on metal, there she is on the bottom. And there is your casting number. Make out clear. Beautiful little truck. If you like those square-bodied Ford Rangers, those first ones, they are very nice. I'm trying to see. No, I don't guess it does open. I thought maybe it did. Nice clean across the back. ST Extra on the plate. So let's get them up there and let you see them all. So there are the 5. Which one is your favorite? Let us know. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Get yourself the alert button so you know when the next ones are coming out. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Take care of each other out there.